Join us for a quick tour around this 40-foot by 10-foot wide Gooseneck tiny house trailer, an ultimate foundation for DIYs and builders alike. This trailer features a gooseneck hitch with an 8-foot long by 10-foot wide deck. The upper deck is 48 inches above the spacious 32 feet long by 10-foot wide bottom deck. This trailer is built with a heavy-duty box tube frame. It is equipped with three 4-inch drop axles for a lower deck height of 22 inches with electric brakes on all the axles. The gooseneck features dual 12K jacks on the hitch and 24 meticulously spaced threaded rods for tying down your wall framing to the trailer. This trailer is built for durability and stability for frequent travel or for a long period parked at your new tiny house oasis. Your dream tiny house starts with a solid foundation, and we're here to provide it. Dive in to explore more at tinyhousebasics.com.